Hello everyone, my name is Ronald James Landiva. Today, I will explain our Google Sheet for small business daily expenses. We create a table that shows expenses for 3 months. The table has the following columns: date, expense description, category, quantity, unit of measure, amount per unit, and total. Next, we use pivot table to summarize the expenses. In the pivot table, we added the calculated field to get the total amount by multiplying quantity and the amount per unit. We grouped the data by month and category. This shows how much was spent in each category per month, like office supplies, utilities, or transportation. After that, we create a pie chart. The pie chart shows the percentage of total expenses per category for the full 3 months. This helps us see which category used the most money. So this Google Sheet helps us track and understand our business expenses clearly. So thank you for listening. Thank you.